Good morning, students. Very good morning. Today we are continue discuss about fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. Chapter 2 Fundamental Rights and Directive Principles of State Policy. Okay. Yesterday we will discuss about some important articles, Article 14 to 21, and some articles. Okay, right about human rights, right to equality, Articles 21 to 23, 24, right to freedom, and next right to freedom of religions. Okay, these are main important of the articles. Okay, today now we will discuss about some important of principles of state policy. Okay, socialism, socialist principles, Gandhian principles, liberal principles. Okay, classification of directive principles of state policy. So, yesterday we will discuss about some important of the articles, right to equality, right to freedom, and right to constitutional remedies. Okay, these are mainly the important of human rights. Rights, how many types? Yesterday we will discuss about two types: human rights and fundamental rights. Okay, part 3. Constitution of India, Part 3, about clearly mentioned fundamental rights and human rights. Okay, Part 4 in our Indian Constitution, Part 4 Constitution, Part 4 Constitution of India, Constitution of India, principles. Okay. Directive principles of state policy mainly mainly mentioned about the part 4. In this chapter, we shall study about what is the main principles of the state policy. Yes, state means national rights. All are compulsory follow the human and the fundamental rights. Okay. First one, socialist principles. Classification of directive principle, three categories. First one, socialist principles. Second, Gandhian principles. Number 3, third one, liberal principles. Principle here are many. Okay, principles are some divide some type of rights. Some type of articles. Article number 38, 39, 39 and 8, 39 for A, 41, 42, 43, 43A, 47. So these are articles. Okay, these are articles. Socialist principles. Socialist categories mainly explained. These are articles. Next, Gandhian principle. Gandhian principle. Article number, okay, Gandhian principle, article number 40. 43, 43B, 46, 47, 48. These are Gandhian principles, mainly right to freedom of any place. Okay, the people of India. Here every citizen compulsory. Every citizen mainly maintenance of the some importance of rights. Next number 3, liberal principles. Okay, number 3. There mainly three type of principles are there. Three type of principles are there. Constitution of India. Part 4. Okay. In which part? Part number 4. Part 3. Human rights and fundamental rights. Constitution of India. Mainly 4 parts there. Part 1. States and union territories. Part 2. Central government. Part 3. Fundamental rights, human rights. Part 4. Part 4. Directive principles of state policy. Part 4. Okay. The directive principles of classification. How many type of classifications? 3 type of classifications are there. Number 1, socialist principles. Article 38 to 47. 38 to 47. 42, 43, 43A and 47. These are the socialist principles. Number 2, Gandhian principles, mainly truth and non-violence. Okay, next peace. These are the main principles of the Gandhian. Okay, like freedom, right to freedom of the country. Okay, any one person. Okay, one person mainly freedom of live for, right to live. For example, live for any place, right to work from any place, any area in all over India. Okay, so these are the mainly Gandhian principle. Article number 40, 43, 43 and B, 46, 47, 48. Number 3, liberal principle. Liberal means liberality. Here like freedom. Okay, liberty. Okay, Indian Constitution is also called with the people of India socialist, secular, democratic republic of the country. Okay, here Constitution of India, the Indian Constitution, it is the biggest of the constitution. Articles also, so many type of articles are there. Every article clearly inform there. Every article under the follow the every citizen and every government and every constitution of area. Number 3, what is the liberal principle? Liberal principle, article number 44, 45, 48, 48A, 48, 50, 51. These are articles, liberal principles. Okay. So these are mainly the liberal principles. Principles means mainly some categories. Okay, the Constitution of India, it is the biggest theory. The formation of the government. How to formation of the government? Every citizen. So important of principles there in every state policy. Here every state means every nation or state. Okay, federal. It is also called the federal system. So the Indian Constitution decide some important of the articles. Yesterday we will discuss already article number 1. What is there? Article number 1 first prevents state and union territories, state power. Okay, how to formation of the new states, how to formation of the states and how to formation of the territories. Union territory. Article number 1, article number 2, article number 3, okay, etc. These are every one article numbers. Article number 1, 2, 3, 4. Every one article under the control by the directive of the system. Okay, every article number under the control by the state policy, principle of the state policy. So this is the classification of directive principles of state policy. Classification means actually what is the meaning of principle of state policy? State policy means every state government how to formation of the system and every citizen of the state. First here example, India first citizen president. The president under the control by the Constitution of India. Constitution rules and regulation. Okay, Constitution rules and regulation. Everyone, particularly all type of categories, everyone following controlled. Who is the main person? President of India, first citizen of India. Okay, it is the person is also called citizen, first citizen. So the principles of state policy particularly divided three type of categories. Okay, the three type of categories mainly, for example, socialist principles. Article number 38 to 47, 38, 39. Okay, social principles means like this type of rights. Okay, this type of rights, human rights. Okay, human rights, socialist categories are there. Human rights. What is the meaning of right? Rights means yesterday we will discuss already. What is the meaning of right? For the person main use of the power. Everyone person compulsory some rights there. The rights particularly democratic countries only. Democratic, every democratic country compulsory constitutions are decided. Constitutions are there. The constitution of mainly work from under the control by the government and control by the country. Okay, yesterday already we discussed already some three type of categories there: legislatives, executives, judiciary. Here mainly three type of formation of the government: executive members, legislative members, judiciary members. These three type of category under the constitution of the system. Okay, state policy, national policy. Here two type of policies under the control by the executive members. The state policy, national policy, same rules. Okay, state policy system, state wise and national wise, same methods there, same methods. But some states some different type of changes of manpower. So human rights under the articles 38, 39, 39A, 41, 42, 43, 43A and 47. These are the mainly socialist principles. Okay, like democratic countries, socialist countries. Here two type of countries there. One you know already recently. Socialist countries example here South Korea and next Russia. These are socialist countries. Cuba. What are India? Democratic and socialist. Democratic and socialist republic of the country. So Indian constitution also decide socialist democratic republic. So there is three words, permanent words of the state policy. Okay. Second one, Gandhian principle. The Gandhian principle only permanent part of the direct principles of state policy. Okay, Gandhian principles like right to freedom and right to work. Okay, right to freedom. One person setting in any state, any region, any area, any place. Okay, so these are the mainly fundamental rights. Fundamental rights categories. Fundamental rights are the categories. Direct principle, Gandhian principle, Gandhian. Okay, Gandhian principles of some important of the articles. Important of the articles 40, 43 and 43B. Divided into two groups. 43, 43B. Groups inside. 46 and 47, 48. Fundamental rights. Example: right to equality, right to freedom. Particularly human type of categories. Gandhian principles. Human type of categories. Okay. Right to live any area and right to work. Right to any work. Okay. Right to work. Okay. This also under the principles of Gandhian principles. Third category, liberal principles. Liberty. Okay. The liberal principle particularly which articles are there? 44, 45, 48, 48 to 48, 49, 50 and 51. Here part 8 there, here also part 8 there. Why? What is the main difference? But here part 8 to Gandhian principle. Part 8 article number 48. Two type of principles are there. Article number 48 divided two type of categories. Article number 48. First one Gandhian principle. This is also article number 48. Second one liberal principle. 48 and A. Example. Right to any religion, liberal, yeah, freedom of the country. Every person, every citizen of India. Okay, we want settle any area, we change any caste, any religion also. Freedom, this is abundance. Okay, so right to example liberal principles. Right to religions, right to any religions, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, any Sikh, Jaina, Buddhism, right to any religion. And next liberal, right to freedom. Okay, right to any religion, settle any place of India and change some Hindus to convert to Christians, some Christians convert to change the religion to Muslims. Change the religion, right to religion. Open, okay, this is the open place, open changes of area. In total, this not only state policy, this for national type of policy also. So directive principles of classification of directive principles of state policy. The state policy means state means under the national, not only state to state article not change. All over India only same article. For example, recently 1950 year Jammu and Kashmir separate constituency there. Now change. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir separate constituency. Remaining states same constituency there. Oh, except in state J&K, Jammu and Kashmir separate constituency there. Okay, recently now change. Jammu and Kashmir also same method. Same method means under the direct principle of Indian Constitution method only. But Jammu and Kashmir two type of citizenship there. Number one, state citizenship. Number two, national citizenship. Okay, this is the separate of constitution J&K. Jammu and Kashmir separate state there. Recently, article number 370. Article number 370, Jammu and Kashmir divide two territories. Jammu and Kashmir one side, next to Ladakh. Ladakh is the one of the union territory. Jammu and Kashmir also state change. That is called union territory. So this is also article number 370. So every article under the follow the rights. The rights also different classifications also there. Rights also. For example, here principles. Okay, the principles of state policy also maintenance different type of schemes, policies, different type of schemes and policies also there. Particularly Gandhian principle in the independence period 1950, Article 395, Gandhian principles also clearly mentioned. Article 395. Okay, you know every article different type of categories there. Every article. Okay, article first to 10 articles. First 10 means article number 1, article number 2, 3, 4. Okay, article number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are total. First to top of the article under the state policy, states. How to formation of the state, new state. Telangana state also formation new state. Okay, recently 2014. So the state policy, state power, the power of the state. Okay, states also different type of powers are mentioned. Controlled by but all of the states controlled by nation, central. So your nation and states also every state under the separate power system. Every state different power system. So for example, article number 45 and 46. These are article mainly power of the every state. Article number 45 and 46. So here two type of categories: fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. The every state under the follow the every different type of articles. Okay, national articles also mainly decide state wise different articles and all over nation. Nation also different type of articles. Example: constitutional remedies. Right to mainly follow the remedies of constitution. Okay, with respect of the constitution. Okay, these are the main under the control by the directive principles of state policy. So the fundamental rights mainly permanent part of the in part number 3, part number 4, part 4 what is meant the constitution of principles of state policy, constitution of India, directive principles of state policy under the part 4. Okay, part 3 mainly only, okay, mainly and only which type of rights? Human and fundamental rights. Part 3, okay, part 1, part 2, part 3 divide some divisional groups. The part 3 is the whole longest of the system, right? It is the mainly follow the rights only, particularly two type of rights: human right and fundamental right. So here mainly fundamental right are compulsory under the directly controlled by the constitution, but human right every human means to every person, every citizen of India, every citizen compulsory your own use their own power, citizen of the own power. Okay, before independence there is no power. Okay, before independence no independent, before independence under the no constitution. Here under the colonial system, colonial rule only. The colonial rule, here many people torture of under the control by foreigners. Many people are torturing and killing, harassment of under by the foreigners people. Okay, the constitution is the one of the biggest task, biggest type of problem. It is the sometimes constitution failures also there. Recently, Nepal constituency example. Nepal is under the control by the kingdom country. Nepal constitution 2 times also changes. 2007, 2018. 2007 recently Nepal also wrote the constituency. Okay, first kingdom country. Now which country? Nepal. Same as per India type. Which country? Democratic country. Okay, Himalayan kingdom. Hindu, majority of the people Hindus. Okay, Hindu country, Hindu population of the country, 92% Hindu population of the country. So sometimes Burma, example Myanmar, Burma or new name Myanmar. Okay, Burma also failure of the government and constitution. So constitution, how to successful of the governments in the constitutional principles. Successful is the mainly under the depend of the government and depend on the people, and particularly sovereignty power. Okay, you know sovereignty power means it is the power, political power. Politically different parties maintain sovereignty system. So these are the under the principles of the state policy. So every one article clearly explained every one rights. These are rights. So mainly under the permanent part of the Indian Constitution. This is the number 1. Number 2, these are rights. Okay, every citizen, which type, for example, which state will not follow or not following. Okay, the state punishment also given under the constitutional rules. Okay, number 2, constitutional rules. What is the main rule? Government of India, it is the one of the biggest of large part of area. So this area in so many type of religions also there, religion and caste and different type of peoples, different type of categories of people. Example, reservation category. Okay, the caste wise also. Okay, general yes. Okay, male, female, and third gender. Okay, third gender is also recently now government also changes a separate of reservation system, reservation seats. Third gender, first gender, second gender, and third gender also recently reservation. Okay, minority of the people separate of power system their education and jobs purpose. Minority of the peoples, majority of the peoples also decide of some separate of the parts, separate of the system. Okay, these are the mainly under the constitutional law. Okay, for example, under the judiciary system also, court level, judiciary system, the court also compulsory follow the under the rules and regulation and constitutional methods. Okay, rule of law, all are equal before the law, all are equal before the law. Single judiciary system, single judiciary. Okay, and appointment of members, for example, lawyers and other supreme and high court members. Okay, under the fundamental rights of the following. So punishment, for example, constitutional remedies, which, for example, a person not follow the constitutional remedy, mainly this type of categories or this type of government decide of punishment, Supreme Court or single judiciary system. So these are the mainly directive principles of state policy. Okay, now which type of categories mainly follow the every citizen? Okay, for example, here main classification. The classification it is the divide of in so many type of categories, but mainly decide how many types? Three types. Socialist system also mainly follow every citizen. Socialist system, the socialist characters, okay, like religious and like freedom. Freedom is also one of the article number. Okay, article number 39 and 39A. Article number 41, 42, 43. These are articles under the right to. So right to equality, right to equality, right to freedom of religion, okay, right to live, and next to 2005 right to information, next to 2008 right to education, free and compulsory education. Okay, this is the article number 37 per A, 37 per A. Okay, so here every article under the control by the parliament level, and both means parliament and court, parliament and court level, and dismiss also sometimes dismiss of the some members. For example, political members also sometimes dismiss. Like means you not follow the every citizen and every government compulsory follow the in political system and political rule, political laws. Next to conclusion. What is the main conclusion about in this topic? This topic mainly principles of state policy. Okay. Tomorrow continue some importance of the articles and duties, particularly fundamental duties. Okay. Fundamental duties and tomorrow we will discuss it. Okay. Today now conclusion. The conclusion about directive principles means every citizen of India under the controlled by the three type of principles. Okay. Number 1, socialist principle. Number 2, Gandhian principle. Number 3, liberality, freedom type of principle. Some articles divide three type of categories mainly. Okay, article number 38 to article number 51, 38 to 51. Some divide three type of principles: socialist and Gandhian liberal principle. Article number 41, particularly right to equality, any caste or any religion, men or women. Okay, rich or poor people, men or women, right to equality for all people, all are equal before the law in single judicial system, right to equality. This is the main article number 14. First one, article number 14. In this chapter, first start article number 14. Okay. Remaining articles also there, but remaining articles total depth under the division of the subdivisional groups. Okay. Next, tomorrow remaining of articles. Okay, remaining of articles. That is main purpose of articles. Okay, how many type of articles? Mainly, we will learn and we will maintain how many type of articles. Okay, thank you.